sneakers, and are you wondering how to start sneaker collecting? Stay tuned and let's find out how. Collecting is a fun and exciting hobby, but it can also be very overwhelming when you're just starting out. In this video, I'll give you some tips and tricks on how to build up your collection in a smart and sustainable way, because we all know that having the right shoes can make or break an outfit. So let's get started and find out how you can have the best sneaker collection possible. The future's bright. The future's Scoop fam. Scoop fam, what's going on? This your boy Damo from Sneak Scoop TV, and now I'm not a sneakerhead. I'm just a guy who loves sneakers, and I don't go for every sneaker, just every sneaker that I like. Growing a sneaker collection can be difficult. You don't want to spend too much money on shoes that may not be worth it. You also don't want to buy shoes that are too trendy because they won't last more than a season. It could be hard to find the perfect combination of style and affordability. That's why I'm here today. I'm going to tell you how you can build a great sneaker collection without breaking the bank with these 10 easy steps on how to grow your collection in 2023. Now let's get into those tips. Tip number 1, start with a budget. Before you start buying sneakers, it's important to have a budget in place. This will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. Decide how much money you can afford to spend on sneakers each month and stick to it. Tip number 2, do your research. The sneaker market is constantly changing, so it's important to stay informed about upcoming releases and resale value. Use websites like Sneaker News, Sneaker Files, Hypebeast, or Soul Links to stay up to date on the latest releases and resale prices. Tip number 3, set a goal. Having a goal in mind can help you focus on your collection and make it more meaningful. Whether you want to collect one specific brand, a model, or era of sneakers, setting a goal will give you direction and purpose. Tip number 4, be selective. With so many sneakers to choose from, it can be easy to get carried away and buy everything that catches your eye. However, it's important to be selective and only buy the sneakers that you truly want, love, and will wear. Tip number 5, and probably one of the most important in my eyes, is to join the community. The sneaker community is full of people who share your passion for sneakers. Joining online forums, paid or free cook groups, attending sneaker conventions, and following sneaker influencers on social media will give you access to valuable information and resources. Now, if you're new to the sneaker world and you're not sure what a cook group is, it's a sneakerhead community or group chat, typically held on Discord with purpose of helping sneakerheads uncover sneakers and becoming better resellers if you're looking to get into the reselling world. Tip number 6, check out local thrift stores and consignment shops. You never know what hidden gems you may find out secondhand stores. 7, keep your sneakers in good condition. Taking care of those sneakers will help them last longer and maintain their value. Clean your sneakers regularly to be sure to prevent any damage or yellowing. Tip number 8, look beyond the big brands. Nike and Adidas are popular brands, but sneaker collectors, there are many other brands worth exploring. Consider checking out Puma, Reebok, or New Balance for unique designs and collaborations. Tip number 9, invest in limited edition releases. If you're looking to build a collection with high resale value, keep an eye out for limited edition releases. The releases are often highly coveted and can appreciate in value over time. 10, don't be afraid to trade or sell. As your collection grows, you may want to find some sneakers that no longer fit your style or preferences. Instead of keeping them, consider trading or reselling them to other collectors. This can be free up space for any additions to collection. Also help you acquire new sneakers without spending that extra money. Your sneaker collection takes time and effort, but it's a rewarding hobby that can bring you joy for years to come. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to building a collection that you're proud of. If you enjoyed the content in this video, be sure to click that subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. I'll be uploading every week, and if you want to know additional ways to grow your sneaker collection, stay tuned for the next video. Whatever you want, forget what others think. Peace.